Welcome to the course, How Content Works by Web Experts team. This is part 2 of How Content Works series in which you will come to know what it takes to do effective content marketing. Hello, my name is Akanksha and I am going to help you succeed in content marketing. In the next 15 minutes, I will let you know how to build a successful content marketing strategy and how to do it effectively. First, let's define content marketing. If you want, the first part of How Content Works, link is in the description and on the I button. So, content marketing is a powerful inbound marketing strategy that captivates individuals by addressing their inquiries, challenging their existing beliefs, and providing valuable education. It serves as a means to draw people towards your brand, fostering engagement and building trust through informative and thought-provoking content. By delivering valuable insights and knowledge, content marketing establishes your brand as an authoritative source, enticing individuals to seek out your expertise and develop a lasting connection. And the best content marketing is driven by great storytelling. Content marketing can take many forms: blog posts, infographics, videos, social media content, reels, stories, and more. So, if you want to start your business through content marketing, it will start with two different words: your audience. Ask yourself some questions. First, what is your target audience? Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating relevant and valuable content. By identifying their needs, preferences, interests, and pain points, you can tailor your content to address their specific concerns and capture their attention. Ask yourself, what does your audience care about? Second is type of content your audience like. Knowing the type of content your audience likes is crucial for engaging them, delivering value, expanding reach, building relationships, and optimizing your content strategy. It enables you to create content that resonates with your target audience, fostering meaningful connections and driving desirable outcomes for your brand. Third is how can you reach audience? Reaching your audience effectively requires a strategic approach that combines various marketing tactics. Here are some key methods to reach your audience. Define your target audience. Create valuable content. Utilize SEO techniques. Leverage social media. Email marketing. Influencer collaborations. Analytics and refinement. To build your audience, build a genuine and meaningful connection with your audience by actively engaging with them. Take the time to respond to their comments, seek their feedback, and truly listen to their input. By showing genuine interest and appreciation for their thoughts, you build a bond of trust and create a sense of community. This interactive approach demonstrates that you value their opinions and perspectives, and it encourages ongoing dialogue, ultimately strengthening the relationship between you and your audience. Many people are building content for their audience, but to build a strong relationship with your audience, you first need to focus on quality of your content and quantity. Google always improves its quality of content. New strategy of Google is Google's new ranking strategy. It stands for experience, expertise, authority, and trust. To master in building a great content, you should know the 3 C's: create, curate, connect. In content marketing, the 3 C's, create, curate, and connect, play an essential roles. Create. Creating original and valuable content is the foundation of content marketing. This involves developing and publishing unique, informative, and engaging content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. By creating high-quality content, you establish your brand as an authority and attract and retain your target audience. Curate. Content curation involves sourcing and sharing relevant content from external sources that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. It allows you to provide additional value to your audience by curating and sharing useful information, industry insights, or perspectives from thought leaders. Curating content helps diversify your content mix and build credibility. Connect. Content marketing is not just about creating and curating content. It's also about fostering meaningful connections with your audience. By engaging with your audience through comments, social media interactions, email communications, and other channels, you create a sense of community and build relationships. Connecting with your audience humanizes your brand and encourages trust, loyalty, and advocacy. Content marketing involves creating original content, curating relevant content from external sources, and connecting with your audience to build relationships and establish your brand as a valuable resource. By applying the 3 C's, you can create a well-rounded content marketing strategy that resonates with your target audience and drives meaningful engagement and results. If you like this video, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.